So how's it going, guys, and welcome to Big Mood. Welcome to a new episode, actually part 2 of the ultimate rear suspension upgrades. In the first one we have been able to replace both of the traction arms. Now in this one we're going to replace two things. The first thing is the sway bar. Now I was wondering why to replace a sway bar. Well, main effect of the sway bar, which is this thing over here, it's to provide the car with an anti-body roll. So long story short is when you're driving the car and you're taking at a curve, then all the weight is going into the opposite direction of that curve. Everything is gonna preload that suspension, and that suspension over there is gonna go higher up. So the main goal of the sway bar is at that point to establish a force against that weight going up to control the car and avoid that body roll that we don't like. So to take the old is pretty straightforward. There are basically 6 nuts that we need to remove. 2 nuts, one here and the other one in the right side of the car, will hold the end link of the sway bar connected, and then the following 4 bolts, we have 2 in the left and 2 in the right, are the ones that hold the sway bar to the chassis. Yes, yes, Milwaukee, yes! There we go, one is out. Yes! And there we can see, guys, the 2 bars comparison side by side. We can easily see that, you know, the aftermarket is a thicker bar, and also if you see from an installation perspective, the OEM one has just 1 position while this aftermarket one has 2 positions. So this is what's considered as a sway bar, which is adjustable. Basically the one that is closer to the bar will give us the stiffer setup, and the one that is further from the bar, this one over here, would give us kind of the softer setup. So which one should we pick? Soft or stiff? What do you guys think? Once both bushings are in, it's basically time to install the end links. So the way we do it is we grab a 14 and then we secure the inner bolt with a 5mm Allen wrench, and then we torque it. This one needs to go up to 28 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, so now is the moment to try to slide the bar into position. We're gonna follow the same pattern, adjust a bit, go to the other one, adjust a bit, 22, 22. What we're trying now is the end link, we're gonna connect it afterwards, okay? So first we're gonna have the bar installed, and then we're gonna connect the end link to the bar. And in the other case, I tried the opposite. So now with the sway bar in place, we need to connect the end links. Okay. So at this point, you just hand tight this bolt. Just hand tight this bolt, just like this. We're gonna do exactly the same thing the other side. And again, hand tight, just hand tight. Good, so recap: torque, 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 not torque. Same in the other side. Now we'll remove the car from the jacks and finalize torquing those 2 beautiful bolts. Let's do this. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. There we go. Give me that freaking click. Traction arms in place. Sway bar in place. 2 things done. 1 more thing. We have 3 things, so 1 more. But guys, it's gonna be in the next one. Stay tuned. Last episode of the rear suspension is gonna be amazing. Peace out.